Yes, good evening everyone. What a thrilling performance. Miss Rian Aragon, everyone. Please give her a round of applause. Okay, I know you guys are all excited to see our finalists tonight. And you know what? We're just about to make this evening even hotter as our 19 gorgeous and fierce young ladies and 15 stunning and dashing young men. Yes, good evening everyone! Are you guys ready?
Parang hindi naman ready.
Are you guys ready?
That's more like it.
Yes, you guys again, thank you so much. Cloud 7, yung mga may fans nyo kanina dito, grabe mga sigaw. Okay, and thank you guys, and what a way to start our evening. Good evening, everyone! Konbanwa minasan! What a way to start our evening. I am Caleb Alvarez, one of your hosts for tonight. And again, thank you Legato Visual Performing Arts for that wonderful and magnificent display of lights performance.
You know who it is? You know who is it? Let me hear you scream it! Guys, na-energy ba tayo? Parang hinana. Akala ko favorite ko sila. Again, it's...
Alam mo ba na bago pa man dumating ang mga dayuhan sa ating bansa, ay may isang grupo ng mga makapangyarihang tao na siyang gumabay sa medikal at espiritual na aspeto ng lipunang Pilipino? Ngunit sino nga ba sila at paano sila naging mahalaga sa ating kasaysayan? Kumusta? Ako si Caleb Alvarez at welcome sa Wayback Wednesday.
I am Charles Dion,
And I'm Caleb Alvarez.
and this is Up Top Down Low.
That's up, top, hot, new and trendy today.
Masterpieces. And again, congratulations, our filmmakers. And this has been the International Silent Film Festival Manila 2022. And we have hope that you've enjoyed this year's festivities as much as we did. And we're looking forward to seeing you here again next year. Again, I'm Caleb Alvarez. Long live silent films. And long live